Okay, so I did some research about getting this off, and apparently you can't. Apparently you have to cut it off, which I thought was absolutely insane. So I did some more research, and I found one comment of a guy who found another comment, and he says if you take the bottom, the banjo bolt, and pull it over this exhaust, you will be able to remove the cover. So let's give it a try. It's a bit terrifying, to be honest, but what can we do? Yoo, it's tight. Is that enough? Is this gonna help us? No, it's not gonna help us. But I might be able to spin the top. So what I want to do, I just want to spin it a bit this way.
Power off.
And I broke the paper gasket. You don't have to cut this off.
That is freaking awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Sorry guys, I realized I didn't actually get that in the video. But that's what it's gonna look like.